Another example of people that don't know how to do science correctly. After you go through the trouble of researching something and doing an experiment, the most important step of scientific experimentation comes into play. And it has nothing to do really with you doing the experiment again. It's actually when you publish your paper about your trials, and then other scientists can peer review it. Basically, they read the article in the journal and they go through and they pick it apart. Does this seem right? Could I redo this experiment? Maybe I will redo this experiment and see if I get the same conclusions. So you always want to be looking in a scientific journal, because then you know that it's peer reviewed. Now, when it is peer reviewed, sometimes we'll find out that it's not correct or that it doesn't exist. Like in this case, we can see that it was withdrawn. The paper was withdrawn from Science Direct because when it was peer reviewed last October, the University of Pittsburgh scientists said, this isn't right. This doesn't work. So we need to have this removed before we start to spread misinformation. Oh my God. Oh, I guess it was a problem that there was even the study done. And that's because people don't understand that when something is proven not to be true, it gets withdrawn. That is how science works. Science is always changing. Always changing. Because people think they discover something, but then other people find you made a mistake. It's not true. It's a very, very, very important step in science. In fact, it's one of the most important steps in science. And a lot of people skip it nowadays. Which is how we get conspiracy theories. Have a nice day, Tess.